This is PV Rao Dhanam mitral valve retractor. I will let you know how to use this retractor or assemble this retractor. This is our main frame retractor. It's a normal most 4-blade retractor. This is a standard retractor as you have seen everywhere. And you can use this retractor in a standalone retractor for using CABJ and normal CABJ cases. You can fix your octopus, starfish, anything in this retractor. And this is our new mitral valve retractor designed by Dr. PV Rao. And this is a small pulley retractor, and this is having a ball socket here. This can rotate 360 degree and slight angle movement also is there. Apart from this, in particularly one angle, it will come 90 degree. This is the main advantage of this retractor. Like these two retractors we are giving, apart from this, the same principle, we are giving one more copper malleable retractor. This is the connecting rod which can use to tighten this ball, so that any position you keep this retractor anywhere, any angle, just rotate it, it will lock. Now it is rigid. Now it is rigid. This is our retractor post, which can use anywhere in this retractor, anywhere in this retractor. We are giving 3 posts and 3 retractors. Now I will let you know how to fix this retractor. Usually this is surgeon side and this is assistant side. This is the post first I am fixing here. See, the main thing is this is having a gear mechanism, this is also having gear mechanism. Each teeth having around 20 degree movement is there, 20 degree angle difference is there. So you can precisely rotate this post 20 degree evenly. And particularly if you fix this any angle, just tighten this. Now this post is very firmly fixed in this retractor. Now you can take this, nothing will happen. After this, you take one retractor and insert in this hole. Always keep this clamp in outside of the retractor. See, like this direction. Don't keep this way. So in this way, what will happen? If you go this way, it will hit here, so that the area of movement is minimized. So that always try to keep it in this direction. It is so that you can bring it. Such a high movement is there. Then insert the retractor and take this rod and insert here and slowly tighten here. Don't tighten fully. Just leave it like this. Like this, one retractor fixing. Now another retractor. Another post I am fixing in this area. This clamp also keep it in outside of the retractor. Now you insert this small pulley retractor. Again, put one rod and tie this ball socket. Now it's fixed. See, now how to have a, you open the retractor as much you want. Now you are bringing the retractor near to the LA. The thing is, you just fix the retractor. You hold the retractor in any position what you want. And if you want to lift it more, you can do it anyway. Just keep it both, the retractor and this ball. Then you tighten here. Tighten here. Now it is fixed. The ball was locked by this rod. Now you retract the LA as much you want, then tighten here. That's all. Like this retractor also. Just hold this small pulley and this stem. Then you tighten this rod. This ball will be locked this retractor. Then you pull the LA as much you need. Then tighten this rod. Now it is self-retaining. See, in some cases the heart is so light and thin. That time what will happen, when you try to pull that upper LA, the lower portion also try to come your side. So to avoid that one, we are giving this malleable retractor. In this case, you can fix this retractor here. You can put the post here. Then you insert the malleable copper retractor here. And this is a malleable retractor. So what will happen, if you want bend it, you just bend it as much you want, or in this way if you want bend it like this. Then you press the bottom of that heart, bottom of the lower part of the LA, then you tighten here. Lock it, tighten it. So now you will have full view of this retractor, full view of the mitral valve. And this 3 stems you can move it upward or downward as your convenience. That's all. This is the small retractor. Once you finish the mitral valve cases, if you need normal CABG or other things, you just remove the 3 posts. This retractor can be used. Apart from this, you just remove this for a cleaning purpose. You just remove the stems and all. These are 3 parts. Just keep it away for cleaning purpose. Remove all the things. These are 3 ports, 3 retractor, 3 connecting stems. That's all. Thank you.